Hello everyone and welcome to Murlist. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign. So once you're on our website, head over to your dashboard, and while here you can see a variety of our products and tools. Feel free to explore them, and if you have any questions, reach out to us here on customer support, and we are always readily available to assist you. But today I want us to focus on email campaigns. So the very first thing to do is to click on create new or create new drip campaign. And while here we're going to give our campaign a name. Let's call it first outreach. And the next thing to do is to add a mailing list. And there are two options here. You can either select from previously added list, or you can upload new instead if you are working for the first time or you want to upload a new list. So we have two beautiful options here for you: verify list and don't send to invalid. So what this does is that it automatically verifies the list you have uploaded and avoids bounces by not sending to those that are invalid. So we're going to select list instead. So let's go with this one, mail drip. So our mail list is added. The next thing to do is to add a step, and we have two options here: a delay and an email text. In our subsequent updates, we're going to have email image and email video. So for now, let's add an email text, and we click on this to edit. So here we can edit the subject. Let's say first outreach to, and we can use our personalization here. Let's use the email, and then we come to the body. We say hello. We still use our personalization tags, which are imported from our lists. So you can make your personalization tags a column on your list while uploading. It gets automatically added to this section. So we can say hello, first name. This is my first email to you. Beautiful. So we have a very interesting feature here, which is an interval. This is like the wait time between sending to one email or mailbox on your list and the next. And what this does is that it prevents your emails from being sent as a blast, because if you send everything at once, it may be regarded as spam. So let's give it a gap of 10 minutes between each send, and we can save our email. Next thing to do is to add a step, and we probably want to add a delay. So as we can see, we've added a delay of 24 hours. We can click here to edit it. Let's say 48 hours, and we save. Now what the delay does is the interval of time between sending the first email and executing the next step. So let's say in our next step we're going to add another email. We click here to edit it. Let's give it a heading, a subject. Let's call that second outreach. So we can still use our personalizations. We can use first name here, and then here we say I use a personalization, first name. You receive an email I sent 2 days ago. Okay, and then we edit our interval. Let's say after every 10 minutes it sends to each mailbox on the list. We save. So what this does is that it puts a wait time of 48 hours between the execution of these two steps. So it's going to send the first email to all mailboxes on our list, and after 48 hours it's going to send the second email. You can drag and drop steps if necessary, but once that is done, click on start campaign, and it's going to prompt you to enter the sender account. If you don't have one, you can click here and to guide you on how to add. Now what this does is that when you add multiple accounts, the system automatically rotates between sending from these accounts, and this permits you to send even hundreds of thousands of emails a day while rotating from different accounts using the best performing ones. We also have the possibility here of tracking open rates. You can configure that in settings, and you have the possibility of tracking this rate with your own custom domain. Once all of that is set, you can start the campaign here. Click on start campaign. So it says campaign started successfully, and you can see here on the dashboard it says scheduled. The campaign should normally start within a few minutes. If you face any difficulties, reach out to us here on customer support, and we are available to assist you. Thank you very much.